Ma'am Vanessa, and good evening, my fellow classmates. So, this video I'm going to describe about Chapter 3 Methodology. So, let's move forward to Chapter 3 Methodology. This section is where you explain the plan of action for your research. Think of it as giving a clear map so anyone can follow your process step by step. Begin with your research design. Will you use a quantitative approach, numbers and statistics, qualitative approach, ideas and experiences, or a combination of both? State the method you'll use, such as surveys, interviews, experiments, or observations, and explain why it suits your study. Next, describe your research settings. The place where the study will be conducted, provide a short background, and explain why this locations is appropriate. Then, introduce your participants or respondents. Identify who will provide the data, how many they are, and how they were chosen, whether by random selection, purposive sampling, or convenience sampling. Follow with the sampling procedure. Explain the exact step you use to select participants and why this approach work for your study. After that, discuss your research instrument, the tools for collecting data, such as questionnaires, interviews, guides, or checklists. If you created them yourself, explain how they were designed and tested for accuracy. Then present your data gathering procedure, outline the process from start to finish. Mention whether it was done online or face-to-face, any permissions obtained, and how you insert confidentially. Proceed to your data analysis. Explain how you will interpret the collected information. Will you use statistical information? Will you use statistical tools like percentage and average, or qualitative techniques like coding and team analysis? Finally, cover your ethical considerations, such as obtaining informed consent, protecting privacy, and keeping data source. Chapter 3, ensure your research process is systematic, transparent, and reliable, making it possible for others to replicate or vary your work. So that's all, Ma'am Vanessa.